Okay, this is my tutorial on how to watch free TV using Wi-Fi on your iPod Touch. Turn it on. Oh yeah, so no. iPod. 8 gig. Go to your App Store. And in your search bar, type TVU Player. TVUPLAYER. Install it. It's a free application. It's free. Open it. Here it is. There's some channels you get, or you go to search. Type so like Nickelodeon, USA Network, KDKA. Well, that is it. See you next time.